In-ceiling tower speakers? Yamaha NS-IW480CWH review has Audiophiles freaking out. Tired of your living room sounding like a soggy phone call? You've got a nice setup, a sleek TV, cozy couch, snacks on deck, but when the movie hits that epic scene, the sound just flops. Tinny highs, muddy mids, and bass so weak you're wondering if your speakers are actually working. Or maybe your current ceiling speakers are acting more like ceiling decor, doing the bare minimum and wasting your time. It's frustrating, right? You want audio that moves you, not something that makes you grab the subtitles. And the worst part? You don't even know where to begin with upgrades that don't look like a spaceship crash landed in your ceiling. And it only gets worse when the stakes get high. Hosting movie night? Yeah, prepare for disappointed glances when the explosions sound like popcorn popping. Trying to immerse in your favorite album? Good luck finding the detail with tweeters that couldn't hit a high note if they tried. The pressure's real. You want premium sound without turning your space into a wire jungle or breaking the bank. You've probably browsed 100 options, and they all scream complicated install, ugly grills, or worse, meh performance. Burnout's real when every solution feels like a compromise. Time to elevate, literally, with the Yamaha NS-IW480CWH. These three-way, in-ceiling stunners aren't just hiding in your ceiling, they're working. With dual 3/4-inch SoundMax dome tweeters and an 8-inch mica poly woofer, you're getting rich bass, sparkling highs up to 28 kHz, and directionally controlled sound dispersion. Tilt it, swivel it, own the room. Yamaha's natural sound tuning makes your dialogue crisper, your soundtracks fuller, and your experience way more immersive. The best part? They install fast, blend in beautifully with paintable aluminum grills, and make you feel like you've got tower speakers coming from the sky. Let's talk wins. These Yamaha speakers offer room-filling audio without visual clutter. The build quality is seriously impressive. Cold, hard metal meets warm, luscious sound. SoundMax crossover tech spreads the sound across your space so every seat is the sweet spot. Forget dead zones. Forget floor speakers eating up space. Whether it's your dedicated home theater or a chill family den, these things deliver. Add a sub if your space is huge, but honestly, most folks are blown away by what these do on their own. Ready to feel that audio upgrade tingling in your ears? Thousands of home audio lovers have already made the switch. What about you? Limited stock, massive hype, and zero regrets. Whether you're upgrading from those dusty decade-old speakers or building your dream home theater, the Yamaha NS-IW480CWH is a solid, stylish, and savage-sounding move. You're not just buying speakers, you're investing in daily joy. So quit settling, click now, and treat your ears, and your ceiling, to the glow-up they deserve. Act fast, your ceiling's future is sounding a lot more epic.